Today's mission is to protect this beautiful lawn behind me for lawn grubs with the new quarterback and to prevent weeds using the Spartan. The purpose of this video is to show you how to apply those products correctly so that you can get the same results as if I was at your house. Now let's protect and prevent. Now it doesn't matter what spray you have, but you need a sprayer to apply these products, and preferably it should have a flat fan nozzle. This is to ensure the product goes out accurately and evenly. Now the first part of the spray is to fill your sprayer up with water only and do what we call a dry run. Work out how much water it takes you with your sprayer to get across your lawn. That's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so I started with 5 litres of water on my dry run. Worked out that I've used 2 litres of water to cover these lawn areas. Now I've got to go measure up and work out the area of those lawn areas so I can work out the chemical rate. So once you get your water rate and you work out how much you use to cover those areas, write it down. That's what you're going to use when you spray your products. Alrighty, here is another process that you want to do correctly. And if you record it, you'll only ever have to do it once. Grab a tape measure and now measure out your lawn. Length by width. If you've got some tricky areas, well, you're going to have to put in some weird calculations. Pi r squared if you've got circles, all that sort of stuff. But do it once. This really matters. We want to get the right products now onto our lawn. Alrighty, the results are in using that area that I just measured up before. So for 15 mil per 100 square meters of quarterback, having 60 square meters, I need to use 9 mil of this product. For Spartan, 40 mil per 100 square meters is the rate. For 60 square meters, I need to use 24 mil. Both products are compatible to go together. Both products will also be mixed in with a wetting agent called Retain Pro and also WSF Seaweed. Retain Pro is 100 mil per 100 square meters, so 60 mil will go in that tank. For Seaweed, it's going to be 120 mil, so double the amount of Retain Pro. In with that 2 litres of water, spray it across your lawn. When you get to the end, you should be out of product because you calculated it, and then you've just got to wash that product into the soil. It's as easy as that. What I like to do with the medicine cup is I put it in upside down. So once I finish mixing, I'll give it all a shake, put it into solution, and it generally washes out that medicine cup too. Give products a good shake. They're insecticides. They are pre-emergents. We want to get them into solution. It's where the money is. And this is what's going to prevent lawn grubs for 6 months and also stop weeds germinating for 4 months. Winter weeds start now in February. 9 mil is a bit of a pain in the bum. You can use syringes and that sort of stuff to be bang on. I just go to 10 mil. These stuff won't hurt your lawn if you put a little bit extra in. It just costs you a few extra dollars. So they're in. Retain Pro. Now, boom, shamer bottles. It's going to help with moisture retention. Also help evenly spread that water in your soil profile. Squeeze it up. Plenty of room in the sprayer. Give the seaweed a shake. This is about 10 times stronger than the sea salt that you find in the big green shed. It's important when you stick to fertilizers that you stick to the rates. More is not better. More will burn your lawn. So 1 turn. Alright. Product's done. Kids, animals, everyone off the lawn until the products are washed in. Lid on. Just want to show you. Nice and clean. Products in there. All right, here's a little hack for you. After you've sprayed one of your lawn areas, get the sprinkler on before you go and spray the next area. So that when you come back, pack your gear away, all you've got to do is move it once and wait around for 10 or 15 minutes till that area gets watered in. You're out of it.